Layer match. Changes the layer of a selected object to match the destination layer. Copy objects to new layer. Copies one or more objects to another layer with 3 options. A. On the current layer. B. Type N for layer name. C. Pick an object on destination layer. Set layer new color. A tool to change easily the color of a layer. Select an element on layer you want to set new color and AutoCAD color dialog will be on to choose a color. Layer lock. Locks the layer of a selected object. Unlock objects layer. Layer of selected object will be unlocked. Layer not plot. A tool to set a layer not to plot by selecting an element on the layer. Or return to show a layer list to choose from. Layer delete. Deletes all objects on a layer and purges the layer. Change layer. Changes selected objects to specified layer with 3 options. A. Return for layer list. B. Type P for previous layer. C. Pick on target destination layer. Layer combo control. Combo box to control all layers properties. Combo box, set or change object color. Combo box, set or change object line weight. Combo box, set or change object lin type.